in this life, actually for any human being, there is no problem. We create it. And the practice of yoga with its 8 limbs point us towards the lesson number 1 of life, which Patanjali had told, that Atha Yoga Anushasanam means the discipline is what we lack. If the total discipline we abide, the problem will never crop up. This is one small message for people who want to initiate themselves towards the path of yoga. It is not about just the postures or breathing exercises or either the withdrawal of senses. It is something beyond all these things. To me, it actually is about refuge under divine presence, and only that presence can update us what we lack, because they are disciplined people, and only with that divine touch we could absorb the disciplines. So it is all about discipline, but with divinity. Only when the divine preparation for any individual is present, then the yoga will happen always, each moment. Thank you so much.